my name is Letitia, and I'm the creator of From Binge to Profit, a 3-module mini course all about how to leverage IGTV videos to better position yourself as a brand and as a recognizable industry expert. I want you to be one of those people who gets invited to speaking opportunities, who gets those paid coaching spots, and whose ideal clients slide into your DMs voluntarily to invest in your high-ticket and premium services and programs. In Module 1 is where I'm going to teach you how to better position yourself as a brand authority. I want you to learn to position yourself as the go-to expert in your industry by creating the kind of brand intimacy that's really needed to create that like, love, and trust relationship that's necessary to sell at your price point. In Module 2 is where I'm going to teach you how to create that video marketing funnel that will take your ideal clients from confusion and frustration to conversion and elation. I know that sounds really corny, but it's something that I'd like to say because I think it's very important for you to stop attracting all those cheerleaders and window shoppers that most of us are really attracting on Instagram. You know, the people who just like all your stuff, they comment and give you high fives and send you all the emojis and say how great your content is, but they're never actually buying anything. Instead of attracting those people, I want you to actually attract people who are action takers, the people who will be ready to invest in your programs because they have gone through a full journey. And in Module 3 is where I teach you my binge framework for IGTV that regularly gets me speaking opportunities like the 2 that I have this week and the 3 that I had last week. You'll learn how to create your own bingeable IGTV video content because IGTV is the most underrated and undervalued medium for video on Instagram today. Everyone's hyping up reels, everyone's telling you to show up on stories all day, but nobody's talking about the fact that IGTV videos are the thing that actually gets you those speaking opportunities. It's the thing that gets you invited as a paid guest coach in somebody's program. And it's the type of content that allows your ideal clients to actually binge, meaning they're watching your content back to back to back, constantly being taken down the path up from being upset, having pain points, understanding those, to learning their problems, to seeing the solution, to seeing your solution as the best opportunity for them to get to their goals that they have. This means more sales and more conversions for you, and they will DM you. This happens to me all the time, and I want this to happen to you too. And so if that's what you're looking for and you're a high ticket or premium service provider or coach, then I want to make sure that you enroll today in For Binge to Profit.